Since adding the Make It Quick card to ZOOMstudio, which is powered by our Smart Layouts technology, many of you have requested to be able to create editable templates with Make It Quick and add it to the template library. We are excited to let you know that you can now do that. You can create a library of editable content for your users, whether it's lookbooks, presentations, flyers, catalogs, and more. We recommend doing this for different vertical markets, product collections, frequently requested presentations, etc. Then your reps and distributors can hop in here, find the perfect design, customize it as little or as much as they want, publish, and have a link they can easily share with their customer. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how easy it is to create a design and add it to your template library. You can see here I have a new design set up. So you would build out your piece or go to something you already created. In the design settings, a few things you want to note. First of all, the name of your design is what's going to show as the template name in the template library. So make sure to keep that in mind when you're naming it. Then you're going to toggle over to template and turn on this setting to make it a shareable template. Hit save, create your piece, and publish it. Once your piece is published, you'll be able to go to the share settings here, and you'll now see an option to add the template to the template library. By default, this is turned on. My design is now turned on and available in the template library. So let's take a look. We'll go back to the template library here, refresh, and as soon as that is refreshed, you'll see the new template we just created and added to the library. Now that it's here, anybody who comes to ZOOMstudio can choose to use this new template as their starting point. You can also manage your templates in this new supplier dashboard. So visit supplier.zoomcatalog.com and go over to the template section. Here you'll get an overview of all the templates that have been created, and of those templates, which ones are available in the template library. If you need to turn one off, you'll simply go back, edit the design, and then go to the settings and toggle this off. So you can turn these on and off as needed. You can add as many templates as you want, you can remove them when you need, and you can share content with your users to give them a great head start and give them content that they can customize as their own. If you have any questions or need any support, please reach out to us at support@zoomcatalog.com. Thanks.